Attention future innovators, are you ready to shape the future of manufacturing? Stuart Career Tech High School proudly presents the new Manufacturing Engineering Pathway, a part of the cutting-edge Manufacturing and Industrial Maintenance Academy. Imagine learning in our state-of-the-art robotics facility where innovation meets education. From computers to cars, everything in life is manufactured, and you can be a part of that process. Embrace the evolution of manufacturing with focus on robotics and software integration. Our program prepares you for the dynamic job market in manufacturing, offering skills that go beyond the ordinary. As a manufacturing engineering student, you'll be at the forefront of the design process from computer-aided design to the actual production of the product. Unlock a world of possibilities of manufacturing, mechanical, and electrical engineering. With the rise of robotics in manufacturing, the demand for skilled engineers is soaring. Be the architect of the future, designing systems, seamlessly integrating them. Your expertise will be the driving force behind the next wave of technological advancements. If you're ready to embark on this exciting pathway, visit GCC ISD website and submit your application. Don't miss the chance to be a part of something extraordinary. Your future in manufacturing engineer starts here at Stuart Career Tech High School. Apply now and shape the world of tomorrow.